Are you on the market for a Windows key but you're not quite sure where to look? Well, in today's episode, we're going to show you where you can pick up a Windows key and get tons of savings as well as a discount code, and then show you how to get this key activated and ready to go. Greetings everyone, welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you would like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we are looking into CDKeysales. They are an official platform selling Microsoft keys, games from Steam, Origin, and Uplay, along with other PC games, as well as some prepaid cards for Xbox users. PlayStation users, don't feel left out. We also have cards for you as well as iTunes gift cards. We have all of our links and details to CDkeysales.com in the description. So I have been looking into getting a Windows 10 key because I got a little bit of a hint that right now we can save a lot of money doing so. So let's go check that out. Alright, so we're going to the search bar and we are going to put in Windows and search for some Windows keys. And you can see they have tons of them, from Windows 10 for 2 PCs to single Windows 10, Enterprise, Windows Server. We have Microsoft Office bundles. We even have Windows 11 down here, Windows 11 for 5 PCs. So many options you can choose from for picking out keys. So we're going to roll up here with Windows 10 Professional and see what it's all about. So normally this key goes for $56.69 and they are selling it for $20.43 right now. But they've also hooked up our viewers with a 35% discount code. So that's going to save us even more cash. So we're going to add Windows 10 Pro OEM to the cart. And then we're going to go to the promotional code and we'll type in capital GTC and hit apply. And that breaks the price from $20.43 down to $13.28, giving us a $7.15 discount. Then we just go right ahead and submit the order. And you have a lot of options you can choose from, even some cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. But for myself, I prefer to use PayPal. So we will continue the purchase with PayPal. Once you confirm your PayPal settings, it will go directly to a confirmation page. Then after a few seconds, it will automatically reset to your purchased orders page. This is where you can see it processing and check up on your order. It only took a few seconds for the order to complete, and you can see right here you can view keys and codes as well as view the receipt. Then all that's left is the activation process. And keep in mind, these are official keys, so you don't have to worry about pirated versions or any security issues. To activate, we go into our settings on the PC that you have Windows installed on, and you will find the About menu. Here is where we will have a line that says change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows. You will click that and then it will carry us to the activation screen. This is where you can change the product key to pull up the input box. After entering your key to Windows, you hit activate and it will do its thing and activate your copy of Windows onto this PC. And you can see right here it says we now have the Windows activated with a digital key. So that's how fast and easy it is to get a new and official version of Windows. Not to mention you can also use the Windows key to activate Windows 11. So that's a pretty good trick to know. If you have a legal copy of Windows 10, you can automatically upgrade. That is, if your PC meets the Windows 11 system requirements. Also, don't forget our limited time coupon code that will save you even more cash if you use it between November 11th and November 30th. You can find all the links and details located in the description. And I would also like to add in that this coupon code also works with Microsoft Office. Well, let's hit that search bar again and we will type in Office 2021. And right here is the Office 2021 Pro. It will take us to the Black Friday sale page and we can hit buy now at $64.25. And then once again we can type in our GTC and it will add the discount coupon. That will bring the total down to $41.76, giving you a total of $22.49 in savings. So you definitely want to jump on this opportunity and not miss out on these benefits. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and get in the comments. Let us know if you're going to upgrade to Windows 11 or if you're going to sit back and hang with 10 for a while. I'd like to give a special thanks to CDKeysales for hooking our viewers up with a coupon code to save you some cash. Be sure to not forget it is a limited time coupon code, so you want to get it while you can. Well, that's going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, be sure to do so. Turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.